Going to take a look at the 737. Contrails appear only after the tail section as unnaturally white and solidly opaque. The unnatural absence of any visible trace of contrails between the engine and after the tail section is inconsistent with the sudden, strong showing of opaque contrails after the horizontal stabilizer. This observation is more consistent with aerosol releases from the nozzles located within the horizontal stabilizer and in line with the engine exhaust in an effort to mimic water vapor contrail formation. Aerosol releases at the tail section is further evident when the proximal diameter of the contrail is too small to have been created by the engine. Here we have no sign of the contrail. Both contrails only evident after the tail section. 737 location of the sprayers and another graphic of the sprayers rigged for geoengineering.